It's been a little chilly lately, and there's nothing more comforting than a bowl of bulalo. Today I'm cooking Oxtail Bulalo, a Filipino classic, rich, tender, and heartwarming, perfect for sharing. I like using oxtail instead of beef shank. It gives the soup a deeper, silkier flavor. Add enough water to cover the meat, cover the pan, and bring it to a boil. While we're waiting for the water to boil, we can go ahead and crush 4 cloves of garlic. And now we can easily take off the skin. So we have 1 large onion here. We just need to trim off the ends. Quartered cut. Alright, this is now boiling. We are now ready to skim off the scums here. Make sure you do this until it is clear. If you don't want to do this part, you can discard this broth right now and wash your meat, rinse it, and then put it back in the pot. Add more water to reboil it. So I skimmed off most of the scum. Now I'm gonna add the crushed garlic and onion. Add 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. From here I've added 1 beef cube. I want the meat to soak in all that flavor while it's simmering. Lower your heat and simmer gently for at least 3 to 4 hours or until oxtail is tender. Go ahead and cut the rest of the ingredients. So we'll need 2 medium-sized potatoes. I put them in water for now so they don't darken. I use baby bok choy here. You can also add the regular cabbage, but I didn't have any. We'll need 2 to 3 quart cobs. These are sweet corns. Cut them into little pieces like this. This is not easy. I am having a hard time. I'm gonna have my husband do the rest.
Yeah, you're right.
It's hard. I have a hard time.
It's not that simple to chop it off.
Alright guys, start. Oh. Yeah, awesome. Ooh, yum yum.
Yes, enough. Time to check if the oxtail is tender. Okay, so I'll just give it another 30 minutes. It is now time to add our corn and potatoes. So let this simmer until your corn and potatoes are tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. At this time, the meat, the corn, the potatoes are tender. We can now add our bok choy. Just cook this for 2 to 3 minutes or until slightly softened but still vibrant. This soup is ready. I have already turned off the heat and ready to serve and enjoy. No matter where life takes us, it's dishes like this that make any place feel like home. Thank you for being with us today. If you're living abroad, I hope this recipe brings you taste of home and a moment of peace.